Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm sharing a whole bunch of happy mail that I have received. I am definitely behind in showing this. Thank you to everyone that sent, I think, some prizes, and I'm not sure what else is in here. So let's dive into this amazing happy mail. The first one is a thank you card. It's embossed. It's so pretty. This is from Caroline at My Crafty Adventures, thanking me for entering her challenge. Caroline, you did not have to send a thank you card. She also sent these really sweet ephemera pieces. Thank you so much for those. I appreciate it. I really enjoyed entering your challenge. This next one is from Steffi over at Steffi Creates. She sent this super cute Easter card. Look at how cute these bunny shakers are. And she is sending me some sweet happy mail and wishing me a happy Easter. And she also sent me some of the die cuts to make my own shakers. Thank you so much, Steffi. I appreciate that so much. This is so sweet. This next beautiful card is an Easter card from Enos over at Paper Crafting with Enos. She sent me this beautiful note sending me Easter wishes. Thank you so much, Enos. And she also shared these super cute stickers as well as some of these wooden spring pieces. Thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me this sweet Easter card. I appreciate it so much. It's so pretty. And this card is from Deanna, the blonde Amazon. She's also sent me this beautiful Easter card, and she wrote a beautiful message on the inside, and she also sent me some of these sweet Easter tags. They are so adorable. Thank you so much. I will have all of these wonderful ladies linked down below. This is from Diana at Diana Loves Colors. She sent me one of the kits because I mentioned that I should try using one of these to pick up my dewdrops, but I did not have one, so she did send me this kit. Diana, thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm definitely going to give this a try. And I won a prize from Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl. She sent me this. It's a happy birthday die. I did win one of her Road to 750 subscribers, I believe it was. She sent me this super cute butterfly stamp, and I definitely will be able to cut this out on my scan and cut. This great selection of goodies in here. We have this Nomi napkin. I'm gonna start a little bin to have napkins because I have received several in Happy Mail. I don't have any place to keep them. I love that one. And she sent some library cards and this journal card, a couple of time cards. These are fun for junk journaling. I love these. She also sent a selection of 6x6 papers. I love these polka dot ones. They're super fun. Thank you so much, Jen, for your giveaway and these wonderful prizes. I appreciate it so very much. And we have this one from Annie over at Annie Creates, and I won this flower die from her. This is great. Let's take a look. And I do have a quilling tool, so I'm definitely going to give that a shot. She sent this adorable sunshine card, and she used my dewdrops on there. So cute. Thank you so much, Annie. She's so sweet. Thank you, everyone, for sending me such sweet happy mail. I appreciate it so very much. Right now going on is my May-June Double Click Connect Challenge, and it's running until June 30th. The theme is summertime, and you can enter anything summer related, and the prize is a bag of dewdrops. Here are the new colors. They are perfect for summertime fun. So cute. These are available on my Etsy shop, or you can direct message me for purchase. Real quick, I think I'm going to add on some purchases that I've recently hauled. I did stop at a Hobby Lobby. I found these super cute picks. They were 99 cents on clearance. I did pick up 2 of those. I thought they were so pretty, and I bet you I could dye these too if I wanted to. I picked up those. They had nothing else. I don't normally shop at the dollar store, but I had a small list of things that I was hoping to find there. So I did run in and I picked up some of the Top Dot tape. I really like how sticky these are. I picked up 2 of those. I found these fun time cards that I thought would be great to stick in my junk journals. Oh, pick those up. With the summer vibe swap coming up soon, I decided to pick up these scatters. They have some flamingos with the leaves, and some pineapples with the leaves. I thought they were super fun. These were in the birthday section. They're 40 zipper bags. They're a decent size. I was thinking I could put a piece of cardstock behind it and possibly use these for my dewdrops. I picked those up to give them a try. I found this notebook, which I am obsessed with notebooks that are unique and fun. And this one has all these different types of boxes that you could fill stuff in. And I thought I will unbind this and put it with my papers. That's cute. One last thing, I printed the mini distressed inks, all of the colors off of the Tim Holtz website. And I also picked up all of the tins to store them in, and I realized I was missing the last 2 kits. So I found them on Amazon. They were the cheapest that I could find them, and I picked up the last 2 kits that I needed to make the collection complete. I love these little ones because they store really nicely in my craft room. I only have a couple of the big ones now, just ones that I've recently found on clearance because I just don't have the room to store them. I wanted to add to this video real quick about additional items that I picked up. I ran out of the ink blending foams for the mini distress ink, so I picked these up. I had to get these on Amazon. I think they were $6. I used these on the bottom of my mini distress inks. I also received some beautiful handmade Happy Mail. This is from Martha Makes Art. She made this envelope with a calendar. I think that's amazing. She sent me this beautiful handmade card, and she wrote me a nice note in the middle thanking me for entering her challenge. That was so nice of you, Martha. And she also shared some of these beautiful stickers. Thank you so very much. I appreciate that. I did get a Temu order in. I picked up some wax for my journaling books, and this was 54 cents. That's to help bind with some of the threads that I have. I picked up this wax seal. This is the potion bottle. That was 55 cents. I also picked up the little paws, and one of the toe pads is a little heart. I thought that was so sweet. This was $1. I picked up the Christmas tree, and that was also $1. I found this silicone glue brush. Usually when I'm spreading glue, I use a paintbrush and it usually ends up ruining it. So I thought I would give this a try. I thought it was a really good idea. So we'll see how this works compared to a real paintbrush. These are for the wax seals, so you can pour the wax and have these decorations. These seem a little bit bigger than what I thought they would be. I don't know, maybe I purchased the wrong thing. I think maybe I did. This was $1.28. I'll have to check the ad and see. I thought it said for these things, but I don't know. To me, that's like a lot of extra wax. So we'll have to see about that. And these skeletons have been in my shopping cart for quite some time, and they dropped down to 97 cents. So I decided to pick these up. They're spooky fun. This was an organizer that came up in my feed for 59 cents. I did think this was a lot bigger, but it will be fun to share items in Happy Mail with this little box. So I will just put that in with my Happy Mail. And the last thing that I picked up is a pack of 10. These are the mini bubble mailers. They were 55 cents for 10 of them, and I can mail my dewdrops in these envelopes. That is it. That is my Happy Mail as well as a small haul. Thank you guys so much for thinking of me and sending me such sweet Happy Mail. I appreciate it so very much. I thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel, and have a great day. Bye guys.